One of Atria Group's main strategic goals for the coming strategy period is to grow profitably in Sweden. And inside our Swedish strategy, we have identified certain ways to win, where we have to be successful in the coming 5-year period. One of those is to clearly increase our competitiveness and cost efficiency. And that is the background to this investment. Through making this investment, we want to increase our productivity, reduce costs by concentrating operations, improve our climate footprint as well, and after completing this investment, it should generate us annual savings of 3.5 million euros to the future. We are modernizing our factory in Skellefteå. We are actually renovating the existing production site, but we are also building a new logistics center to Skellefteå, which will serve most of Atria Sweden's operations for the future. And at the same time, once the investment project moves forward, we are going to move certain production lines from Malmö to Skellefteå as part of the project. The plans are now ready. They were approved by the board of the directors in May of this year. Now it's hard work to do the implementation, and the next big step is that we plan to start the building of the logistics center in early 2022. Once that step is completed, we will start renovating the existing Skellefteå factory, and when the renovation is ready, then we will start gradually moving production lines from Malmö to Skellefteå in stages during 2023. Once that is completed, then we will plan to close down the Malmö factory, and we have already started the process of selling the factory. At the moment we have 7 factories in Sweden, and once this investment project is completed, we will have 6 factories for the future in Atria Sweden. And with this kind of big investment, unfortunately we are not able to offer employment to all of our existing Malmö factory workers, but we are in open dialogue with the unions of how this planning is going forward into implementation, and then when it is needed we will start the necessary negotiations together with the unions. There are certain different project elements to this, so some parts of the existing key product groups we are moving from Malmö to Skellefteå, meaning for example Lönneberga cold cuts and fried bacon. Then we are moving our existing Danish products to our factory in Hansted, Denmark, and we are also moving our sauces production from Malmö to Moheda. Also one part of this investment project is that we will stop producing certain product segments, and that includes for example the Swedish rullpack type products, which is rice porridge, black beans, pea soup. That business has been loss-making for us. As I said in the beginning, this is an important strategic investment for Atria Sweden to improve our competitiveness, productivity, lower our climate footprint, and to make sure that Atria Sweden can have a more sustainable, profitable, long-term future.